This mensajation is for Donald Tronation, de mí y Juan. We coming to U.S. to working hard. Sometimes, we stay at home because we like drink beer. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And Donald Trump. This is mensajation is for you. Deportation a Juanation y a Pedration. You need working very hard, right?
Yes.
And the construction, right?
Yes.
And hardination, right?
Yes.
Yes. And roofation, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And you need, ¿cómo se dice? Ladrillo. Bricks. Thank you, Juan.
Bricks.
You need put bricks in the concretion, okay? Let me tell you something. We stay here forever and ever, right?
Yes.
Okay? You know the protection, my friends and me, because we stay here, we American, mi pelo. Yes, yes, America.
Yes, America.
Okay, God bless you, America. Okay, Mexico?
Yes.
Mexico?
Yes.
Yes, aguacates, the Mexico coming, and you deportation, no coming. We close the board for avocado. Ha!